Okay, we're 98% there. J&J came back and labeled the drains and the water flow. They're shut off for the heater. So your plumbing is done. The pool has been resurfaced and full. The pool technician's already been here once and will be back just to double check the pH of the water. The deck has been power washed and the worst of the tiles have been reset. I'll be doubling back to regrout them after the adhesive is hardened up. This house is ready to go. The floor drains all work. They've all been cleaned out. So we can take occupancy here. The rest of it I can do on the run. By the way, nice touch on the swimming pool. Got a little aquarium thing going here. Very nice.